Once again today, we don't really have anything in the tropics here in this part of the world that we need to be concerned about. We'll show you what we do have, that wave that we have followed for a long time now from way out in the Atlantic across the islands. Dumped 10 inches of rain on Puerto Rico a few days ago. Well, now we can see it from Florida across the western part of Cuba and down into the northwestern Caribbean Sea and about to go across the Yucatan Peninsula. We can focus in on that a bit closer for you. And we are seeing some pretty good showers out around Eleuthera and Grand Bahama and over into Florida now, and especially the southern half of the state. These showers that we see out here farther west aren't directly associated with that wave. That's a low in the upper atmosphere, and that's making some of those showers will be felt up in the Florida Panhandle associated with that upper low a little bit later in the day. And then we have yet another wave coming into the islands, into the Windward Islands. Barbados is right there, and up here we're looking at Guadeloupe, and down here Trinidad, Tobago, and so on. And those showers have begun already. Barbados reporting a shower this hour, but no kind of organization here, we're glad to be able to tell you. And looking at the very high pressures we have in the area, we certainly wouldn't expect to see any because the pressure isn't low at all and hasn't fallen any over the last 24 hours or so. Out in the Atlantic off the coast of Africa, we had a strong wave come off Africa last night. There it is right out here. Another one out here in the mid-Atlantic. And there's that same wave we spoke about just approaching the Windward Islands as we speak. In the Pacific now, we have a named, no, not a named tropical storm, but a tropical depression, just classified as a depression. Top winds at 35 miles an hour, centered over 1,000 miles from Cabo San Lucas. This is increasing in strength, and we think very likely it is going to be a tropical storm. Sometime perhaps even this afternoon. If it is, the name will be Dora. That is the tropics for this time. Now back to Dennis Smith.